Hey everybody, welcome to our weekly breaks for February 10th, 2022. Hey everybody. This week we got some pretty exciting stuff. Topps Chrome Baseball, then a mixer for basketball with some certified team all boxes and mosaic blasters. And then an Illusions football break with Illusions Hobby and some blasters to go along with that. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we get. We've had some pretty good luck the past few weeks, so we can keep that going. Starting off the night with our baseball break, 2021 Topps Chrome. Need to take just a little bit of a break for the special draft to kind of space things out since there's not a lot of baseball releases coming up. I think Top Series 1 has been delayed a little bit too, so I don't want to burn through all of my draft product, so I figured I had a few Chrome boxes to break at a pretty affordable price, so we do that. It's one hobby box, two light boxes. The light boxes have the black and white diamond parallels, which look really nice. One hobby box, two light boxes. This is a random team break, so we are going to go ahead and go to the randomization. This is a random team break, so and for those of you who are new here, I'm going to randomize it on screen. Switching over to the view, got my little spreadsheet with everybody on here, and got random.org here, and I'm going to randomize it 10 times. I'm going to paste it into the spreadsheet and see who gets what. I will read out the results verbally, as well as post it in the chat, so if you're viewing live, you'll be able to see the chat portion of things. You'll be able to see the chat. So copy and pasting now. Hey Bob, thanks for the heads up. Let me see on the echo situation. Hey Bob, thanks for the heads up. Let me see on the echo situation. Bob, when you get a sec, can you let me know if everything's good on the audio side of things? Awesome, thanks Bob, appreciate that. Just had a small setting I had to mess with. Oh, the picture is blurry, huh. Janet, can you check the quality settings on your YouTube feed? And the little settings. I definitely see what you're seeing though. Yeah, it's a little blurry on what I'm looking at. I'm looking at 720p on my feed, so it's not the best one, but it's not a great look. Okay, great, Jenna. Good to hear that. Yeah, my auto feed whenever I'm watching YouTube videos defaults to the worst setting in the world. It's like 360p or something. It's always blurry. I hate it. Let me read off everything real quick. Samuel's got the Diamondbacks. Chad's got the Braves. Darren's got the Orioles. Bob's got the Red Sox. Dustin has the White Sox. Stephen S has the Cubs. There's a few Steve and Stevens in this break, so just keep that in mind when I'm reading it out. Patrick S has the Reds. Steve S has the Indians. Colin L has the Rockies. Steve S has the Tigers and Astros. Stephen S has the Royals. Steve B has the Angels. Patrick S has the Dodgers. Hans T has the Marlins. Brian's got the Brewers. Jenna has the Twins. Colin has the Yankees. John B has the Mets. Samuel's got the Athletics. David P's got the Phillies. Mike P's got the Pirates. Steve S has the Padres. Hans has the Giants. Chad C has the Mariners. Hans has the Cardinals. Bob B has the Rays. Mike P has the Rangers. John B has the Jays. And Hans has the Washington Nationals. All right, so good luck to everyone. Hoping we get some big hits. Previous Topps Chrome 2021 breaks. I wouldn't say they've been like super spectacular. I think a lot of people are down on this rookie class though, which I'm sure we'll get a couple of big names in the end. Did a lot of 2020 football breaks when this channel started, and now Joe Burrow cards are going pretty crazy. There's an Acuna refractor. I feel like that might be a short print. Let me... That is not the design I recall seeing. Yeah, the number on the back of the card ends with 350, so I believe that's a short print. I'll have to look up and see if it's probably just SP. Kale's saying that's a short print, and I'm guessing it's probably a short print, not a super short print, but that's pretty nice on the first pack there. Let's keep going. McClanahan rookie. Got one of the black and whites. It is Lance McCullers for the Astros. And a Mike Clevenger refractor. Talk about some luck, though, on this break. Congrats to Chad on getting the Acuna short print refractor. Got Sean Murphy rookie cup. Vlad Guerrero Latin America insert. The Tariq Skubal rookie. Love that card art for Soto. Andres Jimenez, throwback refractor, future stars of Zach Gallen. The Jared Walsh rookie cup. Christian Pache rookie card. And a Luis Robert rookie cup. I believe Prism refractor. Not a bad pull for the White Sox. Anderson Tejada, black and white mini diamond rookie card. Bit of a quiet time for baseball now with the lockout, unfortunately. kind of itching for things to start up again. This is Joey Bart, base rookie. Shohei, silver. That's the silver. No, it's just a throwback refractor. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this lockout plays out. Wish they would get their stuff together. Yohan Moncada Latin America insert. Got an Alec Baum base rookie. Adonis Medina refractor rookie card. Jesus Sanchez rookie. There's the base Acuna card. Kyle Lewis rookie cup. The black and white diamond. We already missed a few months of baseball in 2020, so it'd be nice to not recreate that. This is Joe Adell, base rookie. Luis Arias is another one of the parallels here. Yordan Alvarez, Prism Refractor. Luis Garcia, base rookie. Gavin Lux, Future Stars. There's a Dahlbeck rookie. Juan Soto, throwback refractor. Dylan Carlson, base rookie. Two more packs to go on this first Lite box. Got a Prism Refractor Rookie Cup of Willie Castro for the Detroit Tigers. Nate Pearson rookie. Sicto Sanchez Refractor rookie. Prismatic Power of Jose Ramirez. That's box number 1. Let's get to Lite box number 2. All horizontal cards here. Devin Williams rookie cup. Dean Kramer rookie card. Dane Dunning rookie. Negative refractor of Yohan Moncada and a Latin America refractor insert of Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Got a black and white main diamond here. Let's see what it is. Not a bad one. Nick Madrigal for the Chicago White Sox. A rookie card there. And we got a throwback of Brady Singer. Future Stars Nico Horner. Alejandro Kirk rookie. Isaac Paredes rookie. Refractor of Walker Buehler. Kyle Lewis rookie cup. Got a Dane Dunning black and white Main Diamond rookie card. Josh Donaldson Prism Refractor. Anderson Tejada rookie, Tejada rather. Casey Mize throwback refractor. Cody Gonsolin rookie cup. Max Scherzer black and white. I like that one a lot. It's a sweet image too of him. With that intense look that he always has when he's out there. Christian Javier rookie. I can't believe Scherzer's gonna be with the Mets. I mean, did I dream that or something? Happened so long ago. Shohei Ohtani refractor, Kyle Lewis throwback. It just doesn't sound right. Maybe I'm making that up and I dreamt that or something. Got a blue refractor in here. There we go. Brian Hayes based rookie. Blue. It's an Astro. It is Lance McCullers. That is numbered 73 out of 150 for the Astros. Prismatic Power of Eloy Jimenez pulled as well. 4 more packs to go on this Lite box. And then we'll get to the hobby box with 2 autographs. Trevor Story, Main Diamond Parallel. Trout throwback refractor, Sean Murphy, Future Stars. Prism refractor of Aroldis Chapman. And last pack from that Lite box. Alex Kirilloff, base rookie. And Jorge Posada Latin America insert. And on to the hobby box. 24 packs in this one. 2 chrome autographs. Future Stars Nick Solak. Joe Adell refractor. Nice rookie for the Angels. Evan White rookie as well. Mike Trout throwback refractor. Christian Javier rookie. Mike Brosseau Future Stars. Luis Robert rookie cup. A refractor of Josh Hader. Sweet image there. Throwing some heat. Bryce Singer rookie. Prism refractor of Vlad Guerrero. Nate Pearson. That's Monty Mongraal Latin America insert, and Tristan McKenzie rookie. Alejandro Kirk rookie. Casey Mize throwback. Keeper Ruiz rookie for the Dodgers. Feels thick. I wonder if the autograph is in here. Oh, we got color. That's what it is. Devin Williams rookie cup. And our autograph, Dean Kramer. Team color orange refractor for the Orioles. Let's see what the numbering is this. This is going to Darren. Congratulations, Darren. This is number 22 out of 25. Pretty nice hit there. Always nice getting the team colors. Got a William Contreras refractor rookie and David Pearson base rookie. Alejandro Kirk Prism refractor. Prism Power, Wilson Contreras. I think 8 or 9 packs left to go in this box. Braylon Marquez, base rookie. Here we go. Brian Hayes, throwback refractor. Another William Contreras. Future stars of Jesus Luzardo. Sam Huff rookie. Trevor Bauer refractor. Chris Bubich. Michael Conforto Prism. 5 more packs to go. Sixto Sanchez rookie. Ryan Weathers rookie card. Water Escobar refractor. Should be hitting an auto in these next 3 packs. Got some color here. I wonder if that's the auto. It's not. Is it Justin Upton? Blue Wave refractor, I believe. Number 19 of 75 for the Angels. Two more packs to go. And there's our autograph, Andre Scrub for the Houston Astros. I want to say he's a reliever. Let's go on to Steve S. Congratulations, Steve, on the autograph. And the last pack of the break. And nothing major in that one. So, quick recap here. Probably the bigger hits, this Louis Robert Prism, Kyle Lewis Black and White Diamond. Got a couple of blue parallels of Lance McCullers and Justin Upton. Nick Madrigal Rookie Black and White Mini Diamond. Awesome hit here with the Acuna Refractor short print. Dean Kramer Orange Autograph, numbered to 25, and the Andre Scrub Auto. So definitely very top heavy, the big hit being the Acuna, and that Kramer Auto is really nice too, with the low numbering and team colors. And hopefully everybody got a decent amount of rookie cards out of this and didn't get hosed too bad. Would like the refractors to be a little bit bigger players than Upton and McCullers, but at least we got some color in there. Can't complain too much about that. Next week, if you go check out the website, justsingers.com, we're doing more of this Bowman Draft Sapphire and a couple of Bowman Draft Lite boxes as well. It's already up there on the site, along with all the other breaks for the week, if you're interested in basketball or football. So please check it out and join us next week. Look forward to having you around again. Thanks for your support, keeping these breaks going every week. Couldn't do it without you all.